E-car is a teaching method created to improve students' understanding of the difference between electrical conductors and insulating materials while attracting students' attention to focus on teaching and learning in the class. Students have a misconception between the two words electrical conductor and insulator. At the same time, students are also less interested in learning and feel afraid to explore new knowledge such as conductor and insulator. This study aims to improve the mastery of the classification of materials or objects of conductors and insulators by using e-car conductor and insulator detector among the year 2 students, and also the understanding and involvement of the students in the learning process before and after using the e-car conductor and insulator detector in teaching and learning. Is a car has been modified and used as a tool to detect conductor and insulator objects around us. Mostly children like to use this because there is a toy sport car used as a detection tool. It is easy to use, portable, and help to identify conductor and insulator objects in a very short time. There are four main electrical components at use in this innovation that are dry cell, connecting wire, motor sensor, and also the bulb. How do you can use this innovation? It is a very simple. Students pick any objects from around them. Students take the name of the object. Students test the object with using e-car conductor and insulator detector kit. Students put the object on the sensor. Students determine the object group either conductor or insulator with the car moving forward, and also the bulb lights up. If the object is conductor, the car will moving and also the bulbs will light up. Instead, the object is insulator. Students can identify and classify the objects into conductor and insulator easily. E-car conductor and insulator was introduced to school teachers and students. Teachers and students are very excited to use this innovation. E-car conductor and insulator detector are used by all the students in year 2 to identify and classify the materials into conductor and insulator. For now, this innovation used at the school level.
Conductor and insulator detector. The first of all, I would like to say that I only have this one model to use for the identify and classify the objects into conductor and insulator. But now I already developed my the innovation with the version 2. Okay, so the things is only the same. The students may use this innovation to identify and classify the objects into conductor and also insulator. This is the insulator and this is the conductor. Yes, two things. We all know that all the objects around us have the conductor and also insulator. Do you know what is the conductor and insulator? Conductor, this means the objects can allow the electric current to pass through it. Meanwhile, the insulator is the object that doesn't allow the electric current to pass through it. That's the thing. But some students still confused with that. What is the conductor and what is the insulator? So thus, I had to invent this innovation made useful for the students to identify and classify the objects into conductor and insulator easily. Let us demonstrate how it works. Do you know what is this? This is the coin, okay? And this is the ring. And then this is the key. Okay, let I demonstrate. Okay, the students don't know, is this conductor or insulator? No problem. But the students still may use my kit to know, identify and classify the objects into conductor or insulator. Let me try and see. Okay, this one I put here. Yes, detector. Can you see that? Once I put the coin on the detector, the bulb is lights up. From here, the students can identify. So that means the coin is a conductor. Means the coin allows the electric current to pass through it and makes the bulb is lights up. And the second one is the ring. Yes, is it need to be pressing a bit hardly? Yeah. Okay. Okay, and then the very interesting one is here. Can you see the card? Yes, my version 1. Okay, let me see how does the card works. Very simple. It's a magic. That's why we always call that science is magic. So what is this? This is the key. Okay, let us put on the detector and we will observe what is happened to the car. Yeah, so this is my one big innovation. That means there's not only one student can use it. That means a group of students can use the kit at the same time to identify the objects into the conductor and also insulator. Okay, let me try with the other objects and see that. Okay, not only. So from here, we all know that. Okay. Okay, let me try with this. What is this? This is the ping pong ball. When I put on the detector, this doesn't work. That means the ping pong ball is insulator. So it won't be allow the electric current to pass through it. And then, what is this? Marble. Okay, let them change. Nothing. The ball is doesn't lights up. Why? Because the marble is also insulated. So this is the way how the students can use my innovation. Is a very, very simple, but I had really take time to invent this one innovation. Okay, so that's all from me. I wish that you are liked my innovation e-car conductor and insulator version 2. Version 1 is only one car that I had used it. So now I had developed, become a big model that's been liked by all the students. So this is the one also. Yes, everything. One big car here. Okay, let's again try. Okay, so let's with that. Metal spoon. Yeah, it's very, very interesting.
Based on this study, the e-car conductor and insulator detector, which can be used when teaching electrical conductors and insulator in year 2. The purpose of this model is to facilitate learning about identifying and classifying electrical conductor and insulator materials.